Hey everyone, welcome to Rookie Analysis. My name is Saad and I'm back with another trading opportunity. About 5 days ago, I posted a video on Baby Doge coin, whether it's time to buy or sell it. And I've told you guys my analysis, my fair analysis. The price at the moment was about 44 after 9 zeros, and I told you guys that in my opinion it is not worth it at this time to buy. Reason being the gains that we are projecting from it currently at that point was 30%, and I told you guys it might make another harmonic pattern, and that just to waste our time, and that's exactly what it did. And now we're going to show you, I'm going to show you the opportunity that lies with it, where you can get maximum gains out of it. Without wasting your time, let's get into it and I'll show you how this pattern works. So just to give you a recap, I'm on a daily chart right now, and for those guys who are following me, I always take a trend line towards the breakout. That is a breakout identified by the big volume candle, just to mark the head and shoulder pattern, the reversal pattern, that where the breakout actually happened and what are the projected targets according to head and shoulder pattern. For head and shoulder pattern, I'm going to take a quick tool and show you guys exactly how I take it. This is the head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder that we're taking. This is the head. Now this is the neckline. I'm gonna place it just to so I can move this cursor. Okay, so basically this small thingy is the right shoulder, and we saw breakout. With breakout we saw large volume candles, and now we are seeing exactly a rally towards the upside. Now to calculate the head and shoulder pattern, you guys need to have a trend line from the deepest point in the chart, that is this point, and taking it towards the neckline, and it is almost right. I'm on a daily time frame right now, but if you guys will do it on a 4 hour chart pattern, chart time, or 2 hours, you will get more exact readings. So I'm gonna mark this projected target that we took from a head and shoulder pattern around this area. Now what I'm gonna do after this, I'm gonna delete this, and now I'm gonna take, and also gonna delete this, and now I'm gonna take a Fibonacci retracement, and we're gonna map out the previous chart, and we're gonna continue from there. So the previous chart that we took readings from was this point with the low this. This is a Fibonacci tool I'm using. It is called a Fibonacci retracement. You can find it from this toolbar, this Fib retracement. Okay, so I'm going to show you the exact pattern that I'm looking at. This is the high, this is the low. We saw a retracement from 0.618 level. All of those of you who are following me, I have told you many a times that when we are at 0.618 level, and if you are taking the right impulse leg, do expect a rally from it 99.99% of the time, because it is such a critical level that price is very likely to bounce from go down from that area, whether we are in an uptrend or in a downtrend. We went down all the way to 0.618 in the negative, and the projected targets were around 0.236, as I have told you, and we have already scored this mark. Now once we have completed this, I'm going to delete this. It was just to give you the reference. I'm going to take this Fibonacci tool and put it all the way and down. Now what we are seeing, we saw a retracement at 0.5 level all the way to 0.382, and I've told you many a time that when we see a retracement from 0.5 to 0.382, the projected targets according to the harmonic pattern is gonna be 0.886 of the total retracement. And at this point we reached at 0.618. At 0.618, the retracement, we saw another retracement, and at this point around 44 after 9 zeros, I have told you guys not to enter in this trade. I gave you a brief description, my analysis over it. It was an honest analysis, as time has proven it that my trends were right, just so that you guys don't panic by it, because it was railing so much. So many guys were asking me whether we should jump on the train or not. I said no, never ever do it. Just buy the dips and buy whatever you have already planned ahead of the time, not because it's railing right now. You might jump into it and you end up losing all of your money. So never do that. So I'm gonna show you another pattern here, and I'm gonna go down to 4 hour chart, and now I'm gonna show you a head and shoulder pattern, but this time we will see it sideways. For those who have identified it, congratulations to you guys, and those who have not, I'm gonna mark it down for you guys. This is the left shoulder, this is the neckline, this is the right shoulder, this is the completion of head. This small thing is the right shoulder. Or a shorter time frame, you will see it more clearly. The main thing that we have to keep in mind is that the head is always going to be above than the shoulders, and so the right shoulder or left shoulder cannot exceed the point where head lies. This is the basic rule. And the second one is we want to see some long bar of volume bar, red volume bar in this case, because it's going down. If it was going up, we will be looking for a long green candle for the confirmation of the breakout. So as we can see, I'm going to delete this just to make sure things simple. Hold on, guys. My mouse is not acting very well. Okay, so as we saw a red candle. I'm on a 4 hour chart. I'm going to go down to 2 hour chart to show you guys exactly what happened. We saw a long bar of red. This was the breaking point. I'm going to drag it down. I'm going to show you the shoulder as well. This green candle, as you can see, I'm on a 2 hour chart. If I go down to 30 minutes or 1 hour, you will see more bars in it, maybe probably around 2 to 4. So depending upon which time frame I am on. So at this point, we saw a price action going up, and then we saw a reversal, and exactly at this point, this is the red candle. It aligns with the volume bar that we identified as a breakout, and it gave us a large volume bar. So that is a confirmation. And the second thing is we saw a retest of it, and the retest also failed. That means that confirmed our targets that we are going down in the market. Now where to buy? This is a big question now. Now I'm going to identify it for you guys so you guys can better understand how I trade personally. I provide this information just so you guys can get the benefit that I could not. I had to spend so much time on YouTube finding the right videos, and I sum it up all in one video just to make things simple for you, so you guys can earn money and you remember me in your prayers. So I'm gonna play market down. So if we take our trend line from the top to the next line, the projected target that we're getting around this area, I'm gonna mark it down with the horizontal ray. And now we're gonna go back to the 4 hour chart to make exactly see what levels are we expecting from it. Just hold on. Okay, so the projected target we are currently at here, that is 32 after 9 zeros, and what we are projecting is price to go down around 2700 area. 2750, you can get entry at 2750 or 2700 area. I want you guys to fill your orders, so 2550 is a good place to put your buy limit. I do not recommend you guys, never ever recommend you guys to go future trading on any of my signals. Reason being, I don't want you to lose money. I've been in this market for about 6 years now, and I can tell you by experience, you can go on a winning streak for around 10 days, and one day you're gonna lose big because of the 9-day confidence that you're gonna get. That's gonna boost your morale, and the 10th day you're gonna make such a huge blunder, and it happens to every other trader. So do not go into it, just do the spot buying. In spot buy, your money isn't going anywhere unless and until it's a Luna 2.0 or it's a big scam like a Squid Game we saw last year. So we're gonna put aside the exemptions, and I'm gonna show you if we take entry at this point, where I am saying that price is likely to go down, we will go at 110% from the price that I am saying that price is gonna go down. If we take entry at that point, you can instantly, or in a couple of days, you can double your money And I'm not saying, I'm not selling you this information. I'm not a promoter of Baby Doge coin. I am a promoter of free knowledge. I'm just giving you my personal opinion. As I've told you guys many a times, likely in the most recent case I told you 3-4 days ago, the fluky is gonna go up in the sky, and that was even before the Elon Musk tweeted about jokingly tweeted about Fluky is the new CEO of Twitter. So I'm gonna end my story and my video on this note, that if you buy at the 2700 level, after doing your own research, you are expected to gain 110% gains from this trade. So if you like my trading setup, just give me a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys later. Have a good day from my side, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Take care. Bye bye.